So everyone's here. Jane's here.
Happy birthday!
It's Brady's 3rd birthday. This is before the party started. We're getting that party started.
It's the pre-party. It's the pre-party, if you will.
Family only.
Swinging, hanging out.
Nana.
Oh, James about Brady
Papa.
to swing.
Dada. See, had some food catered. Nice little catering girl is bringing all this stuff. It looks very nice.
Birthday boy in the swing down here.
Oh, I got my
There he
my
goes.
big boy.
Big boy, he's gonna be 3.
My big boy.
It's his birthday, he's gonna be 3. He's having a party. He's so
Dying.
big.
Can't believe he's so big. Let's see. Here's Cal. Cal and Uncle Tom are down there. Hi. Got him a bouncy house. I think we outdid ourselves as usual. He is only 3. Uncle Brian is wonderful with these kids. He's been policing the situation for me today. Anyways, just wanted to give a little pre-party flip action before the party starts. Food smells good. And our little baby's 3. It's really sad. It's wonderful. Anyway, get more footage as the day goes on. Little Roby throwing, football throwing action.